Well, I decided I'm gonna show you guys my secret rib smoking recipe. It's not much of a secret at all, actually. So, in order to do that, we need some fresh maple wood. So I'm gonna find some white maple back here on my land, cut a stick down and chunk her up. Here we go, here's one. There's another one back there. I call them white maples, but a lot of people have different names for them. Mountain maple. Yeah, let's get one down. This stick right here looks perfect. Absolutely perfect. It's already leaning in the right direction. Got some of these bigger growths here and all this fresh growth, so this tree won't be missing that. Well, got her down. I'm gonna chunk her up, make sure nothing goes to waste. Been using these bad boys to trim up the branches. Can't let nothing go to waste. Got this much left, and my arm feels like it's about to fall off. Probably not much more cutting, but that's decent. All right, just splitting it all up now. Don't have to split up any of that. Decent. Can't wait to smoke ribs tomorrow. So here we got our ribs. Now I'm just gonna get the rub all made up. All I'm gonna be using is a bit of salt, pepper, cayenne, paprika, and brown sugar. Here's some leftover from the last time I did it. I'll use that too. So I'm gonna get these all mixed up in a bowl and start putting this rub on. Rub-a-dub-dub. The dry rub is on. Looking awesome. I only put the dry rub on the meat side up. I don't really bother on the back side. So I'm gonna let this all soak in there now. Looking beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Just soak it in there. Now I'm gonna go get the smoker fired up. And today we're gonna be smoking with the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours smoked, 2 hours wrapped, 1 hour unwrapped, and then sauced. All right. So this here is my offset smoker. A thing of true beauty. Just finished cleaning it all up. It's my dry wood down there and the green wood that I got yesterday. I just put all in here to keep it out from the rain. So yeah, look at this baby. Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Here's my offset chamber. So I'm gonna get a little fire going in here now and keep that going until we get some coals going. And we can get our smoking wood on and get these ribs out here. Okay, I got the dry going with the wet. I got a bunch of my dry pieces going, then I got some wet ones on the side, so those kind of dry out and help the process go. They add a lot more smoke too. This baby's on here already. Beautiful, that's just the dry rub, that's not sauce. What do we got there? That's my neighbor. Now that I got decent coals, I just keep feeding it my wet wood. And then if I see it has any troubles burning, I just put on a single piece of the dry. So that's looking perfect. We're doing a 3-2-1 method, so the temperature just dropped down, but I'm trying to keep it around the 300 range. Temp dropped because I opened up that. We're gonna take a peek inside. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So the 3-2-1 method is we're gonna smoke these for 3 hours. Then I'm gonna take them off, wrap them up in tin foil, put them back on for another 2 hours. And after that 2 hours, I'm gonna open up the tin foil and then I'm gonna sauce them for 1 hour. So that's where you get the 3-2-1. Let's check back on these in a little bit. Oh yeah. We've been smoking now for officially 3 hours. So it's time to take these off. Then we're gonna wrap them up in tin foil, put them back on, and let them smoke for another 2 hours. Looking beautiful. As you can see, we got them all wrapped up. So now we're gonna let these babies sit in here for another 2 hours. Then we're gonna open them up, and then we're gonna sauce them. Time to get a bit more wood back on there. All loaded up again. Should be good for about another half hour, 45 minutes. Now it's time to mix up some barbecue sauce. Once we take the tin foil off, we're gonna be painting these bad boys with barbecue sauce for an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up now. Now I'm just gonna warm all that up and then mix it all together. So far so good. Time to get the sauce on them. And there we go, we got these babies all sauced up. That's looking great. So we're gonna smoke these for another hour, and I'm gonna keep coming out here probably every 20 minutes and painting a bit more sauce on them. I'm gonna trap the smoke a bit too. All right, that's time. Time to take these beauties off the grill. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy. Absolutely deadly. Oh, still a little bit of wood left in there. I think I'm just gonna let the wood burn off. Give these the extra smoke. I'll be back for these after. Finished product. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna let the smoke add some more flavor to the barbecue sauce. Because this is the last bit of wood I'm putting in. I'm gonna let it burn off anyways. Sweet. So, I got that closed right up. Let that burn out now. That's awesome. Here we go. The finished product. Damn, look at those. So stoked to dig into these. Oh yeah. Here comes the taste test. Final product. After I had a big snack fest last night, took all these and cut them up individually. And then I'm gonna vacuum seal them later on. But I go cut this in two and give it one half to each neighbor. Yeah. Yeah.